Welcome to the very first episode of Melixir Mindful series, shot in Jeju Island of Korea. This is a 3-minute meditation video to help you feel more connected to nature. Just close your eyes and allow your body to completely relax. Let's start by taking a couple of slow, deep breaths. In through the nose and out through your mouth. Feel the muscles completely relax and loosen. Notice that all of the tension in your body begin to soften. Now start to imagine you're in a beautiful forest, surrounded by vivid greens and fresh air. With this, you feel a deep connection to the earth and all that surrounds you. Take the last minute to embrace this state of being as you listen to the sounds of the birds, the wind, and the trees. Feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. You can come back here anytime and anywhere, whenever you want to feel more balanced and aligned with nature.